Welcome students to another module from the chapter Chemistry in Everyday Life. In this module, we will be learning about mechanism of drug action, and that too when the drugs act on enzymes in our body. Now children, let's start. Mechanism of drug action. What we are going to study today is based on the molecular targets. Means that when the drug enters into your body, it will always target a molecule. And we are going to see when the drug targets a protein. The proteins present in your body can be in the form of first enzymes, or second they can be in the form of receptors. In this module we are going to be learning about proteins present in the form of enzymes. Now let's start studying this. So first, before we start any of this, we will see what exactly is an enzyme. So we see children, enzymes are biocatalysts and these change the rate of the reaction, but they don't undergo a change themselves. Who discovered enzymes? Yes, it was Mr. William Cunhay. Now we will study what exactly is the action of an enzyme. So enzyme action. Now, enzymes act on substrates. These are specific molecules and I call them as substrates. So let's take a look at this figure here, children. Down what you see, the yellow colored part is the enzyme, and this enzyme will get attached to the substrate. When they attach together, it is called a enzyme substrate complex. Now, children, what we see is whenever an enzyme is there and when it lets a substrate come and attach itself, there is a particular site at which the substrate will attach, and that site, children, is called as active site. Let's see here. Can you see the enzyme? Can you see there is a small hole present there? Well, that hole exactly, children, is called as the active site. It is the hole where which the substrate will come and attach itself on the enzyme. And what does it form? Yes, it forms an enzyme substrate complex. Well, let's see the mechanism of action. Here is our enzyme. Can you see? This is the enzyme and here is the active site. Now, at this active site, there will obviously be room for a substrate. Now tell me, can you see the shape of the active site? And can you see the shape of the substrate? Are they matching? So this substrate can attach here. But if I have a substrate which looks like this, can it attach on the active site? No. So this substrate is eliminated. Now, this substrate will attach itself on the enzyme. Correct? And what will it form? Very right. It forms an enzyme substrate complex. Now the reaction will take place. When the reaction takes place, the substrate is converted into new products, and these products will hence be released. And can you see, children, has the enzyme changed? No, the enzymes stayed the same. So what we see is enzymes do not change. Also, substrates are converted into products. Also, we see that a particular substrate only can attach itself on an enzyme. Hence, we say this is like a lock and key mechanism, where a key or a particular key can only open the lock. Now, let's see an MCQ. Which of the following is not a target molecule for drug function in the body? Is it carbohydrate, lipids, vitamins, or proteins? Yes, children? Well, the answer is vitamins. All of the three, carbohydrates, lipids, as well as proteins, do serve as molecular targets, but not vitamins. Well, children, that's the end of this module. Until the next module, take care.